Hello everyone and welcome to race 6 of the 1999 Superbike Championships. We're at Donnington Park for the second race here in the East Midlands in England, and the standings after 5. Carl Fogarty still at the top on his Ducati in 100 points. Gregorio Lavilla is second on a Kawasaki at 55, and Pier Francesco Chili on his Suzuki is 51. The big news from the first race was that Colin Edwards, who is now in 14th place on 25 points, managed to finish this first race of the season and won that race. So here we are on the second day of the race, second day of racing here at Donnington Park. And if I just move the camera there is the starting grid. The front row of the grid is Carl Fogarty, Troy Crosser, Aaron Slight, Colin Edwards, Akira Yanagawa, and Pier Francesco Chili. The 6 riders that did not qualify for out of the qualifying section, we've got 4 Yamahas: Waturo Yoshikawa, Vittoriano Guareschi, Neil Mackenzie, and Alessandro Gramini, and 2 Ducatis, Ben Bostrom and Anthony Gobert. So the lights are red and we're waiting for them to go green, and we can start our start procedure. And the lights have gone to green, and Carl Fogarty will get us away. He's got a 7 plus a 4 gives us 11, and he will get a reasonable start and he'll be in section 50. Tyler Crosser, number 11, he's a 4, and an 11 is a 15, so that's a fast getaway, so he's in 51. Aaron Slight, 111, he's a 3, but he'll get a 13 in total, and that will be a reasonable start. Colin Edwards, winner of the first race, gets a 4, not so good this time, and the 5 gives him a 9. That's going to be a slow start, and he's going to be back in a section there. Yanagawa, who is a 3 start, and so he's got a 9. He'll be with Colin Edwards. Pier Francesco Chili, oh, that's a good number. 11 plus 4 is 15, and he will get a fast getaway with Troy Crosser, sorry. Second line, who lose 2, Andres McLeod, is a 4 and a 4, that's an 8. Slow start. George Lavilla, he gets a 14 and a 4, 18. So George Lavilla moves into a superb start. He's going to get away faster than anyone. Nuriaku Haga, he's going to get a 3 plus a 5, that's going to be an 8. And he is going to get slow away. Just angle the camera that way a bit so you can see the sections that are being used better at the moment. Peter Goddard on the Aprilia. Oh, he gets a 1 plus a 3 gives him 4. He's going to get a poor start, and he's going to be even further back. Harga should be in there actually with him. I like that. Akira Rio, he is going to get a 6 plus a 2 is going to get him an 8, so that's going to be a slow start. Katsuaki Fujiwara, he's going to get 8 plus 3, 15. So he's going to get a fast getaway. Now these lot will lose 4 off their roll. Robert Ohm, but still a good roll of 7 plus 3, 10. So reasonable start. John Reynolds, he's going to get 3 +3, 6. He's going to be on a slow getaway. I go German, or E go German, whichever way you want to say it. 2 +2, 4. That's not good. He's going to be a poor start. Lucio Pedicini going to get 3 +4 is going to get a 7, so he's going to be a slow away. Kiichi Kitigawa, he's going to get a 1 +4 is going to get him a 5, so it's still going to be a slow away. And off the third line of the grid, Mauro Luciari, he is going to get a 1 +4, so he's going to be slow off. And the back two get 6 off there, so Doriano Romboni is going to get 0 +3, he's going to be slow. And finally, Chris Walker, he's going to be 2 +3, 5, he's still going to be slow. So we begin the first lap of the race. George Lavilla, second in the championship, he's got tyre wear straight away. So number 6 gets this first mark of tyre wear. And 19 +7 is 26. So he's going to move up a group though. Troy Crosser, 18 +10, 28. He's going to move up as well. Frankie Keeley, 11 +9, 20. He's going to stay where he is. And Fujiwara on a Suzuki, 15 +7 is 22. He's going to stay. Carl Fogarty, 17 +12, 29. He's going to jump up 2 places, so he's moving up close to the leader now. Aaron Slight, 19. He'll stay where he is. And Robert Ulm, where's my little arrow gone? Oh, there he is. Robert Ulm is a 14 +7, 21. He's going to stay. Colin Edwards, winner of the first race here at Donnington. Ooh, not so good. 7 +10, 17. He'll stay. Yanagawa on the Kawasaki. Oh, good number. 20 +9, 29. He's going to move up 2 groups. Andre McLeod, 11 +9. He's going to stay. Akira Rio, 10 +7. He's going to stay. John Reynolds, 8 +7 is 15. He's going to drop a group. And Pedicini, 16 22. He's going to stay. As we go to the bottom group now, Noriego Haga, 13 +8 is 21. He's going to stay. Pete Goddard gets some tyre wear. $15. He's going to drop down a group also. I go German. 16 +7 is 23. He's going to move up. Kitagawa gets some tyre wear. Number 59. Let's mark that down on the score sheet. 23, but he will move up a group. Luciari. Mechanical wear for Luciari. Number 55. So does it make any effect on him? 6 it does. Engine sounding rough, down 2 grades, so he's going to drop straight away just to a 4. So Luciari, 12 plus a 4, 16. He will stay in that group, but he's going to find it difficult to not be moving back. Ramboni, oh, wrong card, that was on there. 17, 23, he's going to move up a group, and we drop back to Chris Walker. He's got a spill chance on the first lap. 46, it's a 5 plus, so he is a C, and a C is a 3, so he's going to get the issue. Front end snakes, brake minus PF minus 8 for this. So that's going to be a 1 plus a 6 is going to be a 7. He's going to drop 3 groups way back. I'm going to have to. That's how far back he's dropped. And so the end of the first lap, Lavia on the Kawasaki, followed by the 2 Ducatis of Troy Crosser and the championship leader Carl Fogarty. Colin Edwards 1, 2, 3 seconds behind at this moment in time as we move to the second lap. Lavia 9 plus 7 is 16, will stay. Crosser, mechanical wear for Troy Crosser. See if he can avoid any issues. 4, he does. 16 plus 10, 26. He's going to move up a group, so he's going to join Lavia. The big man. Oh, 16, 27. It's going to move him up, so 3 leaders now together. Keeley, he's going to get a spill chart. 12 is a 6 plus, and Keeley is a C. 7, so there's no issue. 13 plus 9 is 22, so he'll stay where he is. Tie away from Fujiwara on his Suzuki. 8 plus 7 is going to be 15. He's going to drop back a group. And finally, Yanagawa gets tire wear. $14 plus 9, 23. He's going to move up a group though. And as we go back, Aaron Slight gets mechanical wear. A lot of mechanical wear rolls in this start of this race. 5 is going to be okay. So that's 14 plus 10, 24. He's going to move up a group. And Robert Ulm, 20 plus 7, 27. That's going to move him up. As we go to this big chasing pack, Colin Edwards, 16 plus 10, 26. He's going to move up a group. Andrea McLeod, 17 plus 8 is 25, and he will move up. Akira Rio, spill chance. 34 is a 4 plus, and he's a D. Gets a 3, so he doesn't make it. 34 fails to control power slide, falls, remounts on a roll of 9 to 12, 2 dice. Otherwise, he's out of the race. So 9 to 12 to stay in the race, and he gets the 9, but he's going to be a minus 12 on this. So he's going to get 6 plus 7, 15. He's 13. He's going to move back a group. Pedicini gets tire wear. 15 plus 6 is 21. He'll stay in that group. German gets tyre wear. Heavy on the tyres today. 19 plus 7, 26. He's going to move up. Kitagawa. 15 plus 6, 21. He'll stay. And then Doriano Romboni. 7 plus 6, 13. He's going to drop down a group. So John Reynolds. 12 plus 7, 19. He's going to stay with this group of riders. Nariyuki Haga. 11 plus 8, 19. He's going to stay. And Luciari gets some tyre wear. Number 55. Nine plus 4, 13. He's going to drop a group. Peter Goddard. He gets tyre wear. It's his second tyre wear of the race already. 7 plus 7, 14. That's going to drop him. And finally, Chris Walker right at the back. 11 plus 6, 17. He's going to stay where he is, and that's 2 laps of this race completed. And we have Lavia, Crosser, and Carl Fogarty out in front, followed by Yanagawa, then Keeley, Aaron Slight, and Robert Ulm. So as we go to lap 3, Lavia. 9 plus 7, 16. He's going to stay where he is. Tyre wear for Crosser. But he gets a 27, and that will push him into the lead at this moment in time. Now the big favourite, Fogarty, only gets 19, so he'll stay where he is. Yanagawa. 11 plus 9, 20. He's going to stay. Keeley gets some tyre wear. 14 plus 7 is 21. He'll stay. Colin Edwards, winner of the first race here at Donnington. That's not a good number though. 17. He's going to stay. Andrea McLeod. 11 plus 8, 19. He will stay in that group. And Igor German. 14. He's going to drop a group. Pedicini gets some tyre wear. That's his second tyre wear. But 17 plus 6, 23. He's going to move up to join Fujiwara, Edwards, and McLeod. Kitagawa. 23, so he will move up. Rio. 12 plus 7, 19. Stays in the group. Romboni gets some mechanical wear. Can he survive? 6. He's going to down 2 grades, so that's not going to be too good for him. Romboni moves to 4. So that's 20. He'll stay in that group though. John Reynolds, 13 plus 7, 20. He's going to stay in the group. Noriyuki Haga, second in the championship. 14 plus 8, 22. He's going to stay. And the back markers, Luciara, is going to go up 1. That's good for him, number 55. So he will move up to a 5 now after dropping to a 4. And he'll get 25, so he'll move up a group. Peter Goddard. Mechanical wear for Goddard. 6, and he's going to get a rough engine, so he's going to be downgraded 2, so he's going to go to 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. So he's going to drop a group and be with Chris Walker at the back, and Chris Walker the final one to complete this lap. 13 plus 6, 19. So he's going to stay where he is, and that's 3 laps in the book. So let's show you the leaders. We'll lose the back markers from the view, but they should be better riders. So 3 laps completed. Crosser out in front from Lavia and Fogarty, then Yanagawa, Keeley, Slight and Ulm, and then Fujiwara and Edwards, McLeod, Petticini and Kitagawa, and then they also ran. So here we go on lap 4. Crosser 15 plus 10, 25. He's going to move up, and that's good. He needs to keep himself in front of Fogarty as far as he can, as much as he can. Lavia 9 plus 7 is 16. He's not making any headway. Carl Fogarty gets some tyre wear. 20. He's going to stay where he is. Yanagawa. Oh, not good. 9. 18 will keep him where he is in the standings at the moment. Tyre wear for Frankie Keeley's second one. 12 plus 9, 21. He's going to stay where he is. Aaron Slight, mechanical wear this one, and this is his second mechanical wear, so what's going to happen to him this time? 10. Overheating badly, down 3 grades, so he's down to 7. Engine overheating, 17. It will keep him in this group. Robert Ulm, 9 plus 7, 16. He's going to stay in the group. We go back to Fujiwara. 8 plus 7, 15. So he's going to drop a group. Colin Edwards, the big challenger to Fogarty, or hope to be, and he's going to stay where he is. Andrea McLeod, 15. He's going to drop back. Pedicini, 7 plus 4, 11. He's going to drop back a group. And Kitagawa, he could have a spill. Let's have a look what this one comes up. 46. 5 plus, and Kitagawa is a C, and it's a 0, so no. So he loses 8 on this, so that's going to be 10 plus whatever he's got. 16. He will stay in that group. Igor German, tyre wear. But 19 plus 7, 26 is going to move up into a group with Colin Edwards, Akira Rio. 18 plus 7, 25. He's going to move up. Romboni. All the riders still in this race. 20 is going to be 4 plus 8 is 12, and he is going to drop back significantly, dropping a group back. John Reynolds is going to go up 1. So he'll move to an 8 grading, which gives him 24, and he'll move up a group. Haga, mechanical wear for Noriyuka Haga. 7, he's fine. So it's a 12 plus 8. 20 will stay in the group, and Luciari mechanical wear for number 55. Second mechanical wear, so let's see if it can survive this 6. Handling badly, down 3 grades. So Luciari at 55, he's going to drop now to 2. So 15 is going to be -1. Romboni is going to go up 1 on his number 20. So he will go back to a 5. 25, that's going to move him up a group. And then the back 2, Peter Goddard. +13 5 is going to be 18, he'll stay. And Chris Walker gets tyre wear. Number 43 is a 6 plus a 7, 15. He's going to drop back 1. So 4 laps in the box. And we have a clear leader at this moment in time, Troy Crosser. Gregorio Lavilla and Carl Fogarty following him, then Yanagawa, Keeley, Aaron Slight and Robert Ulm. And we start lap 5. Crosser 11 plus 10 is 21. He's going to stay where he is. Oh, Lavilla gets a spill chance, 33 plus 6. So Lavilla is an A. An A is an 8, so he's okay. 14 plus 7 is 21, so he'll stay where he is. Carl Fogarty. Oh, this is going to be a big one. 29. It's going to move him up 2, so he's going to join Troy Crosser at the front. Yanagawa. 16 will stay where he is. Keeley is going to go up 1, so he will go to 10. So that's 26. So Keeley will move up to join Yanagawa. Aaron Slight. 14. He's going to drop a group. Robert Ulm gets some tyre wear. But 19 plus 7 is 26. He's going to move up a group, and we move back to Colin Edwards. Mechanical wear for Colin Edwards, and he's only ever finished 1 race so far in this championship, but he's going to cope with this, and he's going to get 30. He's going to move up 2 groups, so he's beginning to move up the pack. Kitagawa 14 plus 6, 20. He's going to stay in that group pursuing Edwards. German 13 plus 7, 20. He will stay in the group as we move back to Fujiwara. Spill chance for Fujiwara. 34 is a 4 plus. Fujiwara is a B. He's okay. So 12 plus 7, 19. He's going to stay where he is. McLeod, tyre wear for Andrea McLeod. That's his first. 21, he'll stay. Pedicini 20, he's going to stay. Rio 8 plus 7, 15, he's going to drop back a group. And John Reynolds, oh, spill chance. 34 is a 4 plus. Reynolds is a C. C is a 5, so he's okay. 12 plus 8 is 20. He's going to stay in that group. Nat Hager 9 plus 8 is going to be staying in the group. 17. Romboni. 12 plus 5 is going to stay in the group as we drop back to Luciari. 16 plus 2, 18. He's going to stay in that group. Peter Goddard on the Espria. 18, that could be a good move for him, but plus 5 is going to be 23. He's going to move up a group. And finally, Chris Walker. 17 plus 6, 23. He's going to move up a group too. So halfway through the race, nobody out of the race yet. All 20 riders are still competing, and it's Troy Crosser and Carl Fogarty on the Ducatis out in front. Gregorio Lavia. Then we got Yanagawa, Keeley, Robert Ullman, Colin Edwards, Aaron Slight, Kitagawa and German, Fujiwara, McLeod, Pedicini, Reynolds, Rio, Hager, Romboni, Luciari, Goddard, and at the back, Chris Walker as we start lap 6. Tyre wear for Crosser. But 19 plus 10 is 29. That's going to push him 2 groups. So I think at this point is where we start doing our bits and pulling the track back. So you can just see the leader there. There we go. Oh, Carl Fogarty up one, not like he needs it. Moves up to 13 now. This should really give him the advantage. 17 plus 13, 30. He's going to move up 2. So he's right up there with Crosser. Lavia. 16 plus 6. 23. He's going to move up a group. Yanagawa. Mechanical wear for number 4. Can he survive it? 9. He's going to be okay. And he's going to make something of this, I think. 19 plus 9. 28. He's going to move up a group. Keeley. 9. 19. He'll stay. Oh. Spill chance for Robert Ulm. 12. 6 plus B. A 9 is fine. So 9 plus 7, 16. He'll stay in that group. And Colin Edwards. Oh, that's a good number. 17. 27. He's going to move up a group. So he's moved up into 5th place provisionally. Aaron Slight. Tyre wear for Aaron Slight. That's his first tyres. 15 plus 7, 22. He's going to stay where he is. Kitagawa. 16 plus 6, 22. He will stay. German gets tyre wear. Igor German. 3rd tyre wear. 15 plus 7, 22. And he's going to stay. Fujiwara. 19. He'll stay in that group. McLeod. 14 plus 8. 24. He's going to move up 1. Pedicini. 11 plus 6, 17. He's going to stay with Fujiwara. Some mechanical wear for John Reynolds. His first one. Let's see if he can survive. 9. He can. 23. And he will move up also. Akira Rio. 16 plus 7. 23. He's going to move up to join Pedicini and Fujiwara. Hager. Tyre wear. 21, he's going to stay. Not having a good race here. Tyre wear for Romboni. +16 +5, 21, he will stay. Then we get back to the stragglers. Luciari, 15, he's going to drop back. Join Peter Goddard, but let's see if Peter Goddard can move up, and he's going to up 1, 2. So Peter Goddard now moves to 6. So that's 21. He will stay in that group, but at least he's moving up in his rankings. And Chris Walker gets some tyre wear. His second. Oh, 7. 7 and 6 is 13. He's going to drop back even further. But that is the end of the 6th lap, with 2 guys fighting out for the win at this moment in time. Out in front, Troy Crosser and Carl Fogarty, and then a couple of seconds back, Lavia. Then we have Yanagawa and the man who they think that he's going to be the biggest challenger, Colin Edwards, but he's a bit off the pace at the moment. So Troy Crosser. '18, 28. That's going to move him up a group. But unfortunately, he's got the man with him, Carl Fogarty, who's at 13 at the moment. So that's 27, and that's going to keep him with him. Lavia, 14 +7, 21. He's going to stay. Yanagawa, tyre wear for Yanagawa. 16 +9, 25. He's going to move up. Colin Edwards, 9 +10, 19. He's going to stay where he is. Keeley. Oh, he's got a spell chance. 44. 3+. He's a C. It's an 8, so he's okay. So that's 15 +10, 25. He's going to join Colin Edwards. Robert Ulm. 22. He's going to stay where he is. Aaron Slight. He's going to go up 1, so he's gone up to 8 now. Dropped 3, but it's gone up. So that's 15. He's still going to drop back though. Kitagawa, mechanical wear for number 59 on his Kawasaki, on his Suzuki. $12. Misfiring down 4 grades. Jeez. 59. He's going to drop to a 2. So 21. He's going to manage to stay in this group, but how long he'll be able to keep that up, I don't know. I go German, get some more tyre wear. That's his last time. Next time he's out, his tyres will be gone. 16 +7, 23. He gets him moved up though. McLeod gets tyre wear. $13 +8, 21. He's going to stay in that group. And John Reynolds, oh, good number, 20 +8, 28. He's going to move up a group. Fujiwara, spill chance for Fujiwara, 44. 3+. Fujiwara is a B. Oh, and he's not made it. Rear end slides over corrected, thrown off, out of race, injured, +1 roll. So our first exit, Fujiwara, number 21. Loses his front end. Is that right? 44. Rear end. So let's see if he's going to be injured. Let's get the injury chart out. No, below is just shaken up. Yeah, he's just shaken up, so he will be able to compete in the next race. No injury, just out of the race. Pedicini, mechanical wear for Pedicini, number 19. It's his first. Thought it was never going to stop that. 11 is fine. So that's 17. 23 is going to move up a group and join Kitagawa and McLeod. And finally, in this group, Rio. He's got 14 plus 7, 21. He'll stay in that group. Noriyuki Haga, way back on this race. 20 is going to stay in the group. Romboni. 11 plus 5, 16. He will stay. Then with a couple of seconds back to Luciari. 16 plus 2, 18 is going to stay. Peter Goddard, sorry. Get some tyre wear. 17 plus 6, 23. He's going to move up a group. And finally, Chris Walker at the back gets mechanical wear, number 43. And that could be his second one. No, it's his first, so 10 doesn't get him anything. But he gets a 20 plus a 6, 26. He's going to move up a group, and that is the end of lap 7. We still have the two guys fighting it out at the front. Crosser and Fogarty. And they've got a 4-second lead over Lavia and Yanagawa. So it looks like they're going to, unless something happens, they're going to be the two that are fighting out for the win. Oh, Crosser 8. 18 is going to keep him where he is, and you know who's coming next. Tyre wear for Fogarty. Got to be careful. He's only got 8. So that's 21. He's going to stay. So Lavia, tyre wear for Lavia, number 6. $27 though will move him up. Yanagawa, 17 plus 9, 26. He will move with him. So they've closed the gap. Taking the second out on that last lap. Colin Edwards gets some tyre wear his first, so he should be fine with his tyres. 22 will keep him there though. Frankie Keeley, 17 plus 10, 27. He's going to move up into 5th. Robert Ohm, 14 plus 7, 21. He's going to stay. Igor German, some mechanical wear for number 15 on his Suzuki. He's going to be fine. 18 will keep him where he is. Kitagawa, tyre wear for number 59. 13 plus 2, 15. He's going to drop back a group. Andrea McLeod gets a spill chance. 22, 6 plus, and he is a C, and it's a 1, so he's going to get the spill. Slides off on an oil patch, out of race and an injury. So Andrea McLeod, number 16. Slides on oil, and he's retired. Let's see what the injury chart says about him. 8, he's fine. He's going to be okay for the next race. Pedicini, 15 plus 6, 21. He's going to stay in that group. Aaron Slight, 17. He's going to stay. Akira Rio, Oh, that's not good. 8. 15, he's going to drop back a group. Hager. He's going to stay in the group. No, he's going to move up a group, sorry. He will move up a group. 23. Mechanical wear for number 20. Romboni, this is his second. So 9. No, he's fine. And he has a 9. A 12 plus a 6, 18. He'll stay where he is. Peter Goddard gets mechanical wear. This is his second. 4. Gearbox failure. So Peter Goddard is going to be out of the race. His gearbox has failed. So we'll pick up no points. Luciari. Spill chance. 36. A 6 plus and Luciari is a C. He's got an 8, so he's fine. 15 plus 2, 17, so I'll stay where he is. And finally, Chris Walker, right at the back. 7 plus 6. He's going to drop even further back. So 8 laps completed in this second race at Donnington Park. And Crosser and Fogarty lead the pack. Levia and Yanagawa, then Frankie Keeley and Colin Edwards not having a very good race today. So here we go, lap 9 starting. Crosser. Oh, that's a good number for Crosser. 20 plus 10, 30. So he's going to move up 2 groups. Fogarty, 9 plus 13 is 22, so he won't move. Levia, 15 plus 7, 22. He'll stay where he is. Yanagawa, tire wear for Yanagawa, number 4. But 24 will move him up into 3rd. Frankie Keeley, 16 plus 10, 26. He's moving up to join Levia's, dropping back. Oh, still chance for Colin Edwards. 13 is a 5 plus. Colin Edwards is a C. And he's going to get whatever 13 is. Excursion down a straight route at chicane. So he drops 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's dropped way, way back. That's the end of his race, really. He's not going to get many points here. Robert Ulm. 17 plus 7, 24. He's going to move up a group. Igor German goes up 1. So he will move to an 8. 19 will keep him in the group. John Reynolds. 7 plus 8, 15. He's going to drop a group. Pedicini. 10 plus 6 will keep him in that group there. Kitagawa. 17 plus 2, 19. Keeps him where he is. Aaron Slight. 13 plus 8, 21. He'll stay where he is. Noriuka Haga. 12 plus 8, 20. And he will stay. So Akira Rio. Colin Edwards has dropped right back with this group. 64. That is 7 plus 13. So I'll stay with this group. Romboni. 18 plus 5. We'll move him up and Edwards falls further back. Luciari, mechanical wear. for Mauro Luciani, and this is his third one. 5 on 3. Engine trouble and he retires. So Luciani will retire from the race. And finally at the back, Chris Walker. 17 plus 6, 23. He'll move up a group. So we've had 4 retirements now. So 1 more. And as we go into the last lap, if we lose 1 more, then Chris Walker could actually pick up a championship point by just finishing this 16 riders left, 15 places take points. So Troy Crosser, that would have been a nice card for him to get, but 16 plus 10 is 26. He's going to move up. He is a B, and so he's going to finish in that position there, and he's going to win the race because Fogarty cannot catch him up. Carl Fogarty, 14 plus 13, 27 is going to give him another 1, and he is a B, so he will finish there. Akira Yanagawa, can he come third? 16 plus 9, 25. He's going to move up a group and he's a C, and he's going to finish there. Gregorio Lavia gets mechanical wear, number 6. First mechanical wear, can he avoid anything? 5, he does. 18, he's going to stay where he is. He's an A, so he's going to finish there. Frankie Keeley, oh, spill chart. 35 is a plus 5, so a C. It is a 5, so it's okay. 21 will keep him where he is. He's a C, and he will finish in position 3, so he will be in 4th place at this moment in time. Robert Ulm, 10 plus 7, 17, stays in this group, and he's a B, and he'll finish there. Igor German, 16 plus 8, 23 is going to move up a group. He's a C, and he'll finish in slot 0. John Reynolds, tyre wear. Does that make a difference to him? I don't think it does. No, that's his first tyre wear. John Reynolds is an 18 plus 8. 26 is going to move up a group. He's a C, and he's going to finish there. Lucio Petticini. Not a good number. 8 plus 6 is 14. He is going to drop back a section, and he's a B. He's going to finish in 1, so just going to move these down here. Kitagawa, mechanical wear for number 59. Mechanical wear 2. 5. No, he's fine. Kitagawa, 59 is going to be 19, so he'll stay where he is. He is a B, and B is 7, so he's going to finish there. Aaron Slight is a C, sorry, not a B, so he finishes there. Aaron Slight, 12 plus 8 is 20, so he's going to finish back there. Noriyuki Haga, 18 plus 8 is 26. He's going to move up a group, so it doesn't matter. He's going to be on his own at the moment. B. Going to finish there. And Romboni, get some tyre wear But it is the last lap, so it won't make a lot of difference. That's a good number for Romboni. 20 plus 5, 25. He's going to move up a Group B. He's going to finish there. Colin Edwards way back, and he gets another spill chart. 23, 5 plus. He is a C, and C is a 1. 23 rear end -8, so that's going to be 7 plus 10, 17. He's going to stay in this group, and the C will give him position 3. Akira Rio is 16 plus whatever 64's got, 7. So he's going to move up a group. Rio is a D, and he's going to finish in 4. And then finally, Chris Walker, way at the back. 17 plus 6, 23. He's going to move up a group. He is a C, and he will finish there. So that's the conclusion of the 6th race, and we'll just put the cards out of the way, and it's finished. The winner, Troy Crosser. Second, Carl Fogarty. Third, Akira Yanagawa. Fourth, Pierre Francesco Chili. Fifth, Gregorio Lavilla. Sixth, Robert Ulm. Seventh, Igor German. Eighth, John Reynolds. Ninth, Noriyuki Haga. 10th, Doriano Romboni. 11th, Lucio Petruccini. 12th is Kiichi Kitagawa. 13th is Akira Rio. 14th, Aaron Slight. And 15th, Colin Edwards. The only other finisher, Chris Walker. And they're the 16 riders that made it to the end of the race. And our race 7 will be coming from Albacete in Spain. So I hope you'll join us then. Until then, if you've enjoyed it, thumbs up. If you haven't, thumbs down. And it's good night.